Hey guys, today we are doing a fuzzy sticking activity for kids. You'll need a piece of paper, some fuzzy sticks and balls, a black marker to draw whatever you want on the sheet, and some glue. So here I've made 2 drawings since I've got 2 kids at home. And let them play with the glue and the materials. And just watch them and help them whenever you can. But let them go wild. There's no need for them to make a perfect picture. It's all about them enjoying it, enjoying the moment. Of course, at the end of it, you can help your child here and there. And voila! I think they've done a great job.